Have you noticed something truly transformative happening in the world of automation lately? It's a shift that's redefining how businesses operate and how individuals interact with technology. We're no longer just automating simple, repetitive tasks that are easily defined. We're now moving into a new era, automating complex decisions, interpreting nuanced information, understanding intricate contexts, and facilitating sophisticated communication across various platforms. This represents a significant leap forward in technological capability. And at the very center of that profound evolution, driving much of this innovation, is Microsoft Power Automate. It has been fundamentally enhanced with an AI-first automation approach, making it more intelligent and intuitive than ever before. In the past, Power Automate primarily helped us trigger straightforward workflows. For instance, it could automatically send an email when a form was submitted, efficiently move files to SharePoint for organized storage, or create immediate alerts when specific data changes occurred within a system. These were foundational, yet limited, capabilities. While these functions were undoubtedly useful and provided significant value, they were, in essence, quite basic in their scope and intelligence. Today, however, the entire landscape of automation has fundamentally changed, ushering in a new era of possibilities. Microsoft has introduced a suite of groundbreaking features that are redefining automation. These include Copilot directly integrated into Power Automate, enabling AI-driven flow creation using natural language commands, advanced intelligent document processing for handling unstructured data, sophisticated process mining for optimization, and a much deeper, more seamless integration across the entire Microsoft 365 ecosystem, connecting all your essential tools. This means you no longer have to meticulously think in terms of rigid, conditional statements like, if this specific event happens, then you must do this precise action. The paradigm has shifted dramatically, simplifying the entire process. Now, with these advancements, you can simply describe what you want to achieve in your own everyday language, using conversational phrases. Power Automate, powered by AI, will then intelligently interpret your request and automatically build the entire complex workflow for you, handling all the underlying logic and connections. This marks a truly significant shift in the accessibility of automation. It means that powerful automation capabilities are now available to everyone within an organization, not just a select group of technical users or developers. It democratizes the ability to create efficient processes. Let's take a closer look at these exciting new features and capabilities within Microsoft Power Automate, and more importantly, understand why each of these advancements truly matters for your business and daily operations. Our first key highlight is the revolutionary Copilot for flow creation. This innovative feature allows you to simply describe your desired workflow in plain, conversational English, eliminating the need for complex coding or intricate drag-and-drop interfaces. For example, you can articulate a complex scenario such as, when a new employee joins the company, I need the system to automatically create a dedicated onboarding folder for them, send a personalized welcome email, schedule a Microsoft Teams introductory call with their team, and promptly notify their manager of their arrival. Copilot then intelligently processes this natural language input and automatically generates the entire multi-step flow. This includes establishing all necessary connections between different applications and services and building out the intricate logic required to execute each step seamlessly and efficiently. Our second significant advancement is natural language flow editing. The tedious and often frustrating days of clicking through countless menus, navigating complex interfaces to troubleshoot issues, or manually modifying individual steps within a workflow are now definitively over. This new capability streamlines the entire editing process. Instead, you can simply tell Copilot what specific changes you want to make using natural language. For instance, you could say, add an approval step before sending the welcome email to ensure all details are correct. Copilot understands your intent and instantly implements the change. Done, just like that. Third, we have substantial AI builder improvements. This is precisely where automation transcends simple task execution and truly becomes intelligent, capable of understanding and processing complex information in ways previously unimaginable without extensive custom development. With these enhancements, You can now perform a wide array of intelligent tasks. This includes accurately extracting specific text and data from invoices, automatically classifying incoming emails based on their content, interpreting and digitizing information from various forms and scanned PDFs, recognizing specific objects within images, and even detecting the underlying sentiment from messages and customer feedback, providing valuable insights. Fourth on our list is process mining and insights. Power Automate now goes beyond merely helping you build automation solutions. It actively assists you in discovering and identifying the most impactful automation opportunities within your organization, acting as a strategic advisor. It meticulously maps out existing workflows and processes across your entire organization, pinpointing areas of inefficiency, bottlenecks, and redundant steps. Based on this analysis, it then intelligently suggests precisely where automation will yield the most significant savings in terms of time, resources, or operational costs, providing data-driven recommendations. Our fifth key update focuses on updated desktop automation, also known as robotic process automation or RPA. For applications that lack modern APIs, such as legacy systems or on-premise software, Power Automate can now automate these with significantly greater reliability and robust cloud orchestration capabilities. This means you can achieve seamless and consistent automation even for your older, more entrenched systems, effectively bridging the critical gap between modern cloud-based applications and traditional legacy infrastructure. It ensures that no part of your business is left behind in the automation journey. These groundbreaking advancements in Microsoft Power Automate, particularly with the deep integration of AI, are fundamentally transforming how businesses operate at every level. They are making intelligent automation not only powerful, but also remarkably accessible for everyone, from IT professionals to business users, fostering a culture of efficiency and innovation. We encourage you to discover firsthand how these enhanced capabilities of Power Automate can empower your organization to streamline operations, boost productivity, and ultimately achieve more than you ever thought possible. Explore the potential today. Now let's talk about how to actually leverage AI inside Power Automate, transforming your business processes. So why is this important for your organization right now? The answer lies in the challenges many businesses face daily. Specifically, AI excels at understanding data, classifying content, and extracting vital information from diverse sources. Furthermore, AI is adept at making intelligent recommendations, guiding users towards optimal actions and insights. Here are some powerful, real-world applications where AI and Power Automate makes a tangible difference. Our first use case is email and communication intelligence, a game changer for managing digital correspondence. AI can automatically detect the topic or sentiment of incoming emails, ensuring they are routed to the correct team without manual intervention. This eliminates shared inbox chaos, allowing teams to focus on critical tasks rather than sifting through irrelevant messages. Next, we have intelligent document processing, revolutionizing how organizations handle paperwork. When you upload or scan documents, AI extracts crucial data, which is then seamlessly routed to systems like CRM, SharePoint, or various databases. This is perfect for managing HR onboarding documents, processing vendor invoices, and handling customer contracts with unparalleled accuracy. Our third use case is approvals with context, streamlining the often tedious approval process. AI can summarize lengthy documents before they are sent for approvals, providing managers with concise, actionable information. This means managers can approve faster, with less reading, accelerating critical business decisions. Finally, we explore help desk and ticket automation, enhancing customer support and internal IT operations. AI classifies incoming issues, suggests immediate solutions, or escalates high-priority cases to the appropriate personnel. In short, AI eliminates the manual interpretation layer, which traditionally consumed significant human effort. The tasks that humans used to read, understand, and route are now seamlessly automated, freeing up valuable human resources. So why is this important for your organization right now? The answer lies in the challenges many businesses face daily. Organizations are often drowning in repetitive work, from managing email noise to endless data entry. Reporting, manual approvals, and document scanning also contribute to this burden, consuming valuable time and energy. Consequently, teams are burning out, leading to decreased productivity and morale. By combining Power Automate with AI, you can fundamentally change this dynamic. Workflows become significantly faster, accelerating operations across all departments. Processes become smarter, adapting to new information and making intelligent decisions autonomously. This empowers teams to gain more time for meaningful, strategic work, fostering innovation and growth. Furthermore, organizations can significantly reduce human error and associated costs, leading to greater operational efficiency. This is not just automation. It is intelligent workflow orchestration, a sophisticated approach to business process management. And the best part? You don't need deep technical skills to implement these powerful solutions. If you can describe a process, you can automate it with Power Automate and AI. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview has been insightful. If you'd like, I can also create a step-by-step demo flow and a PowerPoint slide version of this script for your presentations. Just drop a message to request these resources. We're here to help you further. See you in the next video, where we'll delve deeper into practical applications.